Yeah, human eye can never be replaced. Now, there can be a fluctuation in the amounts of human eye, right, because of automation, but it's still going to be there. And then I want you guys to realize there are some companies that have small teams, big teams. Some companies have small budgets, big budgets. To go into automation still takes also more money, more time. There are things that has to be considered before you actually go into that. So I want you to realize that it's still going to be here, but you may not see as many manual testing titles. You're going to see probably more QA analyst titles, QA engineer titles, quality assurance tester titles. Because the market doesn't want you to just be a button pusher. See, when you're a manual tester, I can train my 14-year-old daughter how to be a manual tester. You need to show up better than that. And so, yes, let's go. So everyone's going to have a different way of testing. Do we got that? This is Blue. She just straight interrupted my live.